Okay guys, today I know I haven't been like doing streams too much. I've been like busy, but I haven't been doing anything. It's like I like quit, but I have not quit. But today we are going to make something, and if you guys can guess in 5 seconds, tell me right now. Just kidding. No. But if you guys could guess, you can pause the video because I'm never doing live streams. You can pause the video and guess what I'm making. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, you're going to make what's in this, which is actually slime. If you guess slime, then good for you. I'm sorry I don't do giveaways or anything, but how we make it is first, I'm actually making green because I like the color. I like how it looks. Green isn't one of my favorite colors. I like pink and stuff, but we're going to use green slime goo. And then, oh, sorry, the light's in my face or something. First we're going to put it in this cup right here. Oh. You can put as much as you want. You don't have to use a cup, but I just use a cup. And also there's a lot of things that we can do. My cat. So we got the goo in there. It's like really, really watery, but it's not actually water. Then you get cross-linker solution. Go like this. I have this thing on all the time for some reason because I just don't want it to spill a lot, which it spills a lot. It's actually the opposite. It's not helping at all. But it helps a little bit, but you can't put too much in and then or else it's just gonna ruin the slime. So you put like how much? I don't think I put the right amount. I think I put too much. But who cares? If it doesn't work, then we're just gonna put some more of this stuff in. And yeah, it's pretty much what I'm going to do for now. And then you get a fork. Well, you don't have to use a fork. I'm getting a fork. You get something that you can stir with. I'm using this side of the fork. I've already made slime with this fork, so there's already some slime on this fork. And then all we have to do is like just stir it around. Don't go too fast, because like I was trying to make this slime and it flung into my eye. Stung for a little bit. But there's all sorts of ways how to make slime, but it matters on which kind of way you want to make it. If you want fluffy slime, you can use like, you can't use this with like shaving cream to make fluffy slime, but don't use cotton or something like diaper or something, because it's not gonna work. It's gonna make like, well, I guess it could work. It's just gonna make it like hard sometimes. I don't want it to clean my eye. And then it should start getting its slimy form. But if you want, you can like get it glittery, and then you can like shape it, and then you can let it dry out, and it's gonna make like some cool design. It's really, really cool and fun. And yes, this is fun making it and playing with it. I like putting in like balloons sometimes, like something like, look at this. I'm gonna zoom in. There we go. That's the slime right here. Maybe it looks like a lot, it's really not. It's about like 5 centimeters long. the slime. Oh, it made like a fart noise. But I'm gonna zoom back in. And that's pretty much it for the video. Hopefully you like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want for me to do for the next video. Please give a big fat thumbs up, please. And if you can, subscribe, please. Okay, so that's it for the video, and goodbye.